Hello, Harvester here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your QuickBooks app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, QuickBooks. Here we go. And you want to check if you have the newest version of the app. If you got the newest version of the app, you should have the HUD like me. But if you don't have, that means maybe you just need to update the app. After updating the app, if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, apps, go to general, see all app, see all app, here, QuickBooks, here we go, permissions, and just allow them all like this. Just allow them all. After this, go to Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues with the app, but if you got, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is just go to the Play Store, again, uninstall, and reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.